welcome back to Lego Mateo, and welcome to Lego Mateo Renew. And in this video, we'll be doing another Transformers review. This time on the 2-pack of SS8 Studio Series 86, or SS86, for the abbreviation of Studio Series. But I like to call it, SS86. We're doing the review of SS86 Brawn and Ratchet 2-pack, the deluxe class, I think. I really don't know, but yeah. So as you may have seen on my channel, I did the Studio Series 86. What they call this? Optimus Prime. That is a blast. That is one of my favorite Transformers. That is probably my favorite Optimus Prime toy, aside from the original. I think that overtakes you. I think the Studio Series 86 Optimus Prime overtakes the original one, in my book. But I'm getting off topic here. So let's, we're here to talk about these guys. So let's dive in the review, shall we? Without further ado, let's dive in the review. So let's check out the accessories first. First off, let's take these guys out. And got the thing. Let's move Brawn and Ratchet out of the way. I think they set out for the intro shot. Yeah. Okay. So, Brawn fell. Sorry. Just have a really hard time posting this. While I'm trying to get these guys posed. Okay, there. Never mind. Okay. Let's move on with the review, shall we? So for accessories, we got these purple blast effects. They're supposed to go in the chests of because they're trying to portray the wounded Autobots, like here and here. We'll get to them in a sec, but you got two of these, like poles. Blast effects, you can put them on the gun and make it blast, but I think that's what I do. But I think they're supposed to go in the chest here, the Energon. I think this is what it's supposed to represent. The Energon is coming out of Ratchet, so you got two strands of Energon and two small bursts of Energon. You got two strands, two small bursts, and two big bursts of Energon, and they're made by this purple plastic thingy. So yeah, it's kind of hard. It's hard. It's soft at the tips, but it's mostly made of hard plastic. So yeah. So you got two of each. So you could, theoretically, if you want, you could build one, put it on Ratchet, and then shorten the other, or just put this and have it on Brawn. I think I like this look for Ratchet. And then you have this, and put it on Brawn. Yeah. This looks nice. And you have 2 extra left over. So if you want them, like, take Brawn for example. If you want his gun, like him shooting at the Autobots, you can take the energon, the one remaining energon strand, and then use it as a blast effect for the gun. Or you can take one of Ratchet's and then have it like it's already exploded. But sure. Now take these out. Okay. And take these out and then yeah. So and now we go to the blasters / guns. Here's Brawn's pistol. It's a generic Autobot pistol. I think, yeah. It's a generic Autobot pistol. And here we got 2 of Ratchet's guns. These also double as exhaust in vehicle mode. So yeah. You can put it in the hands just like this, and then yeah, like, and then you can have Ratchet like having the goo, the energon coming out of him. So yeah. I like the short look. And then you can have Brawn and shooting the Decepticons. With the laser. Just like that. And have 2 Autobots fighting for their life. Yeah. So yeah. And then, okay, now let's look at the Autobots. Take Ratchet out of here, and take Brawn. And then let's look at Brawn first. Let's take off all his accessories. And then, so this is Brawn. You got articulation. Let's put him on his normal pose, like. You got a scared face because this is a 2-pack Autobot Shuttle edition. There's a normal Brawn without the hole, but that's a different figure that you need to go get separately, which I don't have. And so yeah, he has movable legs. His legs can kick back. His legs can rotate out. Let's move his arms. His arms can rotate 360. His arms can move out that far. His legs can rotate 360 as well. His thigh can rotate 360. I don't know about his leg, but his shin can rotate 360. Yeah. He can move out that far. His knee can bend. I think that's his knee. Same on the other side. and then reverse the arm, and then you can have there's ankle tilt, like here. So that means you can stand him up in a dynamic running position. Or you just got wounded. And then you could have him tend to that wound. Like that. Which I think I will be having in my Transformers display. So, yeah. Also, his elbow can rotate. And then he can have a 90-degree, farther than a 90-degree bend. Like that bend. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's talk about Ratchet. Let's talk about Ratchet first, and then let's transform the both of them. So I'll give you that one. And then let's take Ratchet here. He's more in a dynamic pose. I pose them like how I would display them in my my Transformer collection. So yeah. He got ankle tilt. Not that much as Brawn. I mean a lot. His ankle can come out this far for transformation purposes, but I think he could do excellent posing with this guy. 360 waist. That's what I forgot to mention about Brawn. 360 waist spin. So, yeah. But I mean, the crotch flap can. You can do a kickback. He can like kind of do the splits. Let's see if Brawn can't do the splits because his his SUV thing is I mean, he can actually do the splits, but sure. Let's stand Brawn up. And then here you got the 360 spin of the head. Same as Brawn. And what do you call this? Elbow rotation, only elbow bends to 90. So yeah, that's okay. So yeah, nice. It's cartoon accurate. I'm surprised it's so cartoon accurate. But so yeah, you can see the detailing here. It's like the chipping of the windshield, and then these guys are so cartoon accurate. So yeah, I think that's it for robot mode. I mean, transformation time, shall we? Okay, let's move them back here, and then I'll catch you on the flip side. So I'm back, and these alt modes look fantastic. I've had these since Christmas, but they still look brand new. I mean, yeah, they still I mean, these alt modes still look new. I mean, because I haven't transformed them a whole lot. But let's start with Ratchet. It's kind of difficult to transform. Like, I mean, I've got all the steps down, but kind of difficult still. So you can see some gaps, and you can still see the windshield with the hole, so you can basically put what to call this, energon blast. So he's like getting blasted by the Decepticons in vehicle mode. So alt mode, sure, yeah. The light bars on top are removable. Don't forget, if you're getting this set, it's kind of hard to transform. This guy is kind of hard to transform, but he looks nice. But don't forget, if you're getting this 2-pack or set, light bar doesn't come on this guy. You have to attach it first. It's in the pouch with all the blast effects and the blasters. Also, the wheel on top of Brawn doesn't come attached already. You have to attach it. It's in the pouch with the blasters and blast effects and the light bar. I mean, light bars, because you have 2 pieces. So yeah. This guy is super cartoon accurate. Look. The transformation is just wow. And vehicle storage. Blaster storage. Blaster storage in vehicle mode is nice. You can see the underside. It's not like you can see the whole much, but yeah, this is nice. I mean, I like the G one because it's simple. The actual G1 Transformers, because it's simple to transform. But if you get used to this, I mean, you kind of trading complicatedness for transformation, a little bit of complicatedness for like more posability. So I think I like Studio Series, but I'm still gonna keep an eye out for those G1 characters in the G1 show, like in the what to call this, like the animation, like the 86 line. They're making an 86 Devastator, so yeah. Probably when I get those guys, I'm gonna review it, but time ago. And they make into a Devastator, which is really cool. Next up is Brawn. I mean, you can't attach anything. I mean, you can attach his gun onto his wheel thingy. The wheel thingy just comes up, like, yeah, you can see the wheel thingy. And there's a hole. You can put his wheel back on. You can put the gun, and he's like to it, and then you can shoot. You can shoot stuff. Like, you can have these guys battling. And there's no place to battle damage Brawn, so that's good. His battle damage is covered in alpha, so that's nice. They both roll, as you can tell. These were nice. Christmas gifts. yeah, I think that wraps up. I think that wraps up the review. Yeah. Well, this is really phenomenal. This 2-pack is really phenomenal. Now I can say now I have 3 studio series, guys. These guys, the Optimus Prime, which I'll link it at the end of the video. But I think I'm gonna stop collecting those G1 guys. I mean, I'm gonna collect some just for the Megatron, G1 Megatron, just for its rareness and collecting value. But I'm gonna stick to, if they come out with more Studio Series 86 guys, I'm gonna go with those because, I mean, if you can handle like complexity of the transformation, a little bit more complex, a lot more complex than just Soundwave, G1 Soundwave, like the G1 Optimus Prime I showed you, like I reviewed you. I think if you trade up complexity transformation-wise, I think if you can handle more complexity in your transformation, I think you get more posability out of it, because the G1 guys, I mean, they're basically G1, but the actual 1984 toys or the reissues are kinda like static. I mean, it was 1984 back then. They didn't have articulation, like ton of it, like this guy or this guy. You see what I mean? But now we trade complexity, transformation complexity, trade off with more articulation for transformation complexity. I think you're good with your choice. I mean, whatever you choose will be good. Or maybe not even, maybe you're into Transformers, but not G1. Like the G1 style like I am. Maybe like Rise of the Beasts or something. I think they have Studio Series for that. Yeah, they do. Well, I think that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, wait, no. One more thing to say. There might be a video on Friday. Another Transformers video on Friday? Maybe. But if not, see you in my next video. I think that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Lego Mateo, signing off.